Okay, so to properly use a spectrophotometer, the first thing that you'll want to do is make sure that it's on. You can tell that it's on by the lamp being on the side. If it's not on, there's a little switch right there on the back that you can press to turn it on. In this case, this one was already on. You want to make sure they stay on, that way they have time to get warm. And you'll want to make sure that this number here says 625 nanometers on it. That's the wavelength that we'll be using for this lab. If yours does not say that, you can adjust it with these numbers right here. You'll also want to make sure that it says A right here. This number does not matter yet at this part of the lab because we're going to zero it out, but you will want to make sure that it says A. To change that, you'll just press this button here to change between A, T, and C. We'll make sure that that's on A for absorbance. Now, to talk about how to actually use this, you just open the compartment, add your cuvette. In this case, I have one filled with the water here. This is what you would use to blanket. And when you put this in, you'll notice that there's a little arrow right there. That's the direction that the light's going to travel. We want to make sure that the clear side of our cuvette is what is lined up with that water. So we'll just add it, close the lid, and then we can zero it out. And that'll set your blank, and then you'd be good to add your solution to the cuvette and repeat.